How to access historical data from Yahoo Finance. I'm going to tell you how to access historical data from Yahoo Finance. Accessing historical data on Yahoo Finance requires a Yahoo Finance Gold subscription. While you can view historical price, dividend, and split data for most stocks or assets, downloading it as a CSV file for offline use requires the paid plan. First, go to finance.yahoo.com and search for the company or ticket symbol you're tracking. Click the Historical Data tab under the Stocks chart. You can still adjust the date range and choose between daily, weekly, or monthly intervals to view the numbers directly on the site. But if you try to download the data, the site will prompt you to upgrade to Yahoo Finance Gold. If you're not subscribed, a quick workaround is to manually copy and paste the table into Excel. Though it's a bit clunky, for those who need regular downloads, it might be worth exploring free alternatives like Google Finance or other stock research tools.